and this is the reason I use Davinci Resolve rather than a Premiere Pro. Hello folk, I'm Jinn from DustyHueRoom, and what I'm gonna tell you today is the reason I use Davinci Resolve than a Premiere Pro. For a long time ago, when I was Adobe person, I used all the Adobe program. I subscribed every month and paid them a lot of money, and I just find out that there is a program called Davinci Resolve, which is basically I use that sometimes for color grading, but not for a main program when like when you work as a friend. And then I guess around Davinci Resolve 12 or 12.5 that they improve a lot of editing page on Davinci Resolve. So I decide I have a lot of condition that like put me in. I got a lot of problem with Adobe subscription, a payment, and I message them. I call them. Yes, I do call them. I mean, I expect some result, but yeah, there is no result, so I have to cancel all my billing, and then I start doing it again, like all the time, every month. So that is the time that I decide to move on. And then I start to use Davinci Resolve as my main program to do all the editing works and all the color grading work. As you know, Davinci Resolve is a good program for color grading, and they can do some editing, not that much, but the thing that fit me is I start working as the editor and do just only color grading and consult. I don't have a lot of keyframes, a lot of effects like I used before. Yeah, that is the reason that I can move to Davinci Resolve so smoothly, because I don't have to use a keyframe that much. Davinci Resolve can also do a keyframe, but not as good as Premiere Pro, in my opinion. So I don't have to do the transition zoom or like some walk effect zoom, because I do just only my YouTube. And my YouTube is just set up the camera, set up the light, set up some good microphone, place record, and then talk. Just the only reason that I can use the Davinci Resolve so smoothly, because I don't have to deal with the keyframe. In my mind, keyframe is a big problem. You have to create a keyframe a lot. I suggest you to use the Adobe, but you use just only the editing. Davinci Resolve will fulfill your wish, and that is why I moved to Davinci Resolve, and I'm happy with it now. There is some bug sometimes, but yeah, Blackmagic, but I still love them. And so what are you using right now? Just comment me below. What are you using? Adobe, Final Cut, Avid, or Davinci Resolve to editing and color grading? I'll see you soon, mate. And if you have any question, just comment me below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'm Jinn, and this is my DustyHueRoom. See you, mate. Bye.